Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Instagram filters not showing on iPhone. First of all, go ahead to your app store and then search Instagram and update it to the latest version if available. Next, just restart your iPhone. Then if that does not work, go to your settings, search for Instagram, and then make sure to toggle the camera option and the photos option on, and then clear in-app browsing data by going to your settings, search for iPhone storage, scroll down, find Instagram, click on offload app, and it will free up storage used by the phone but by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if that does not work, at last just refresh effects by loading the effects gallery, and that's it. Safety tip: do not use external filter hacks, they break up your app. Quick fix: log out and log back in, and that's it. Subscribe for more tips.